Welcome to your first look at the editor. In under a minute, you will know exactly where to find what you need. Everything starts on the left. This is where you create. Drawing tools let you build walls, doors, and windows. The catalog gives you furniture and decorations. You'll also find event tables, background uploads, and more. All organized by tab. The center of the screen is your canvas. This is where you arrange and organize your design. Drag items in, move them around, build your layout. Select anything on the canvas and its properties appear on the right. This is where you customize, adjust dimensions, change colors, fine-tune positioning. Up top, switch between 3 view modes: 2D plan for precision, 3D bird's eye for overview, and first person for an immersive walkthrough. Just below, the control bar groups your project actions: save, undo, redo, group selection and manipulations, camera tools, levels, and sharing, everything you need to manage your design. Create on the left, organize in the center, customize on the right. That's the logic, and you're ready to go.